Once we get started with our work, we always feel that work life balance is just impossible. Why? Because you keep struggling with everything. You don't get time for anything. You don't get time to look after yourself. You don't get time to think about the future, think about the present, what you are doing, how you are doing. You know what is the main reason? You are not able to maintain balance. You are not able to bring harmony in your work and life. That is the reason you always feel hopeless. You feel that there is no worth in everything. And to overcome this feeling, you need to maintain work-life balance. And when you want to organize your life in the most effective manner, in the key to become productive and effective is in work-life balance. Because anything that you are doing too much is not good for you. Anything where you are involved too much without thinking, that is not bringing harmony. And you know what does it mean be bringing harmony? You are going here and then you are putting here. So you are trying to balance. Okay, I'll do this work with complete devotion and dutifulness, as well as I will take care of myself with complete devotion and dutifulness. And you are the one who takes care of everyone. You are very caring. So if you are caring, why don't you cultivate this caring attitude towards you, towards yourself? So let's learn 3 basic and crucial steps to maintain work-life balance in your life. First step, organize everything, whatever you do in your life. Not only organize, but keep it organized. So I'll give you one example here. So organize your calendar, organize your day's schedule, whatever is you are scheduled to do throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the month. So one day you sit and make your calendar like this. So if some work comes on priority basis, I definitely note down. I don't carry it in my mind. Whatever work comes to me, whatever ideas come to me, I note down it in my diary. Because of that, my mind is completely free of any future task or upcoming task. I keep it for the present moment. But where is the secret? The secret is in organization skills. What I organized my day calendar. Whatever activities I need to carry out throughout the day, throughout the week, I have written somewhere. So what is the next step? Allocate. Once you organize, then you allocate. You need to allocate time for your exercise, your meditation. You need to allocate some time for self-improvement. You need to allocate some time for your recreational activities. At the same time, you allocate your working hours only for work, not to think about your future, not to think about your anything other than your work. So you give your 100% in the moment. And the third step is implement. Whatever you have organized, whatever work you have allocated to yourself as per the time, it is the time to execute and implement. Take action. And if you implement, there will be a time that your mind will tell, oh, I should do something else. Please take care of your distractions. Take care of your, out of control habit. Always you go out of your self-control. You need to take care of those things. So you need to organize, allocate, and then implement. Take action as per your plan. So what is the secret, 3 secret of work-life balance? Be organized in your life. Organize everything, whatever you want to do. Then you allocate the time, allocate your resources to achieve and get the result out of that. And the third is implement and take action as per your allocation and as per your organization. Once you do all these 3 things, and that is the time when you are taking action, you need to take control of your emotions. You need to take control of your, distractions, procrastination. So if you want to live a life that is fulfilled and that is full of happiness, you need to maintain balance, you need to maintain harmony. And this harmony comes with rhythm. So bring rhythm in your life, be synchronized with your goals, synchronized with whatever you want in your life, and that time you will see your life is full of balance and you are able to maintain work-life balance. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like it. Thank you so much, and share your challenge that is related to work-life balance in the comment box. I ensure that I'm going to take up all your challenges through my videos. That would be really great collaboration between me and you. Thank you so much.